What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. My name is Taco. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Crypto markets aren't having a wonderful day, but that's all right. We'll check it out. We'll see if there's a silver lining in the sand and maybe there's some undervalued altcoins. Well, a lot of them are undervalued. They should be up billions of dollars, right? Well, we'll check it out. We'll check it out. Before we do, let's get into CoinMarketCap. Actually, before that, give us a follow over here on Degen Alpha Show. We are live Monday through Friday. Different times on Tuesday and Thursday around 1:30, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, since I host the Mario in the Fall Roundtable Space gaming stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. My Monday, Wednesday, Friday streams are around 4:15, 4:30. But yeah, so give us a follow at Degen Alpha Show. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks, hosted by me, crypto_taco01, the one and only. So give me a follow. You can see right under that. You should follow the roundtable. The roundtable space. This is Marina Falls roundtable. A bunch of great content posted on this channel, and Degen Alpha as well. All right, and then heading back, join our Telegram channel. It is up to 187 members. So here we go. We have the general chat. We have degeneracy. So we're posting our meme coins, ones that we're sniping, ones that we're dumping. We also have the airdrop channel if you want to check out this channel to see different airdrops that we have been farming. And then the pin tweet right here, cryptoranks.io, drop hunting. This is a hidden gem. This is alpha right here. They have like a complete list of a bunch of different airdrops that you can farm. So it's super easy. A nice platform where you can just have everything lined up right for you, exactly what you need to do in order to qualify. We also have Taco Trading and TA ref links. So if you scroll up to the top, if you want to trade no KYC on CoinW leverage, you can use my link. Trading View, if you want to get the charts, $15 for free. My favorite indicators, Market Cipher. We have liquid restaking tokens on EtherFi if you want to use EtherFi. If you want to snipe meme coins, BullX is great. BonkBot is good. Moonshot is great. If you want to farm Grass token, I would get the node running on your computer. Immortal Rising is just a Web3 game that's pretty fun to play. And down here we have Photon. So Photon is like a dashboard for sniping, selling, doing whatever you want with meme coins at lightning speed. And you can front run people that are using like Jupiter to swap meme coins. So really great product right here. And then Degen Taco meme coin. I have my own meme coin, D Taco. It's on the Cardano network. I own 21% of the supply. So if we get out of the bonding curve, I plan to airdrop it to the holders of D Taco. All right, let's get into the show. I've got a bunch of tabs for you today, but let's check out the current market. All right, let's refresh the page. Let's see what's going on. All right, so we're still above healthy above 3 trillion market cap. We're at 3.34 trillion, but it is down almost 9% today. 24-hour volume is closing in at 300 billion. That's insane. Let me say hi to the chat. Who's in the chat with us? K-Jam, Manawalk, David Middleton, Snowboarder 237. Glad you guys are joining us today. Smash that like button. Let's get some more people in here. Yeah, let's see. First live I've caught in a few months. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, Manawalk, and I'm glad you're joining us. Glad you are joining us. All right, so Bitcoin is under 100K, $97,830. It is down 6.57% over the last 24 hours and down 1.32% over the last hour. So over the last hour, the big boys are falling. Ethereum is down to $3,474, down 10.5%, 11.83 over the last 7 days, and 1.18 over the last hour. Solana is under 200 at 195, down 16% over the last 7 days. Might be a good opportunity to get some Solana and maybe even some Doge, down over 23% over the last 7 days, and 7.56 over the last hour. Cardano is at 89 cents. Maybe a great opportunity to pick up some Cardano, down 22% over the last 7 days. Hey, what's up, Donato Cabrera? Glad you're joining us as well. We have big discounts across the board. We have, let me move the Telegram over so we don't get notifications. There we go. All right. Yeah. SWI down 10% over the last 7 days. I mean, it's holding up pretty well, given the downturn in some of these major altcoins. Even Chainlink is down 19% over the last 7 days. Currently, everything is falling. I go live, everything is falling. Let's check out Bitcoin on TradingView. Let's go to the hour. Yeah, now looking good. We're showing a 14 bear versus a -4 bull. These can go as high as 28 and as low as -5. This is on the hourly time frame. We have momentum on market cipher B. Looks like it wants to continue down to around the -81. My camera is covering it, but these two momentum waves got as low as 81. So we still have around 32 more points to go down if this is following the same pattern as these two humps. Not looking great. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour is also showing bearish. This looked like it wanted to print a green dot last night, but it has not printed, and it looks like it wants to go down further. This is the 4 hour, and we got as low as a -70 back in November 26th. That was this move right here, which was let's see what the percent downturn was. It was only 8%, so we're already down more than 8%. We're down about 11%. Hey, Richard Burnett, Company Christmas Tacos, and now live with the Taco Man himself. Yeah, there you go. Tacos on tacos on tacos. Let's go to the daily. Whoops. The daily. So the daily is still, we're still holding above $90,000. What did we, this is showing 99,000. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Did it just go up a little bit? There's no way. Slightly. It went up slightly. Let's go back. But yeah, we're showing an 18 and a -5. So, I mean, again, as high as 28 and as low as -5. So the bulls have lost control over the last day. We have 5 hours and 24 minutes before this candle prints and confirms. So, I mean, this still looks like it wants to head down on the daily. On the 4 hours, still looks like it wants to head down. We have the 200 candle moving average at 96K on this 4 hour time frame. Yeah, not looking good. Not looking good. All right, let's get into some stories. Some good news. You going to be around Christmas week or going home? Might try to set up a round of golf if you're in town. If you're down, I might be down. Not sure. Maybe I might head home. I'm not 100% sure yet. It is a long drive, and I still gotta perform my streams, so I'd have to set up my whole stream up in Connecticut. But I'll keep you in the loop. But yeah, let me know. Let me know when you plan on setting up a golf round, man. A walk. I might be down. As long as it's not like 30 degrees outside. But the other day it was like 70. So I think we're looking good for some golf in December. All right, anyway, NVIDIA and Intel partner with HBAR Equity Lab to enable verifiable compute for advanced AI systems. The system is running on Hedera Governing Council members, Dell's servers, and enables companies to leverage Meta Llama models in new ways. Render just found its first serious competitor in the crypto GPU compute space. So here is the former chief marketing officer sharing more details. Very excited to share that Equity Lab using Hedera together with Intel and NVIDIA unveil verifiable compute to help with secure, trusted AI. So I think that this is boding well for HBAR. I'm going to hold on to my HBAR. Maybe I'll buy back in. I sold it around 34 cents, just a small part of my bag. And we're under that. So I could always dollar cost back in. Let's look at HBAR on the chart. I mean, it's hard to look at altcoins when Bitcoin is falling because there's really no strength in altcoins, with obviously Bitcoin being the main guy. All right, so we're over here on HBAR. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour is showing bearishness with the moving average at 23 cents. The top of the golden pocket right here is sitting at 20 cents. So if we get down there, that'd be another 27% downturn. And HBAR has gone on a tear. It went up from about 4 cents to 39 cents about. So what was that percent gain? About a 7x. So I think it's okay that a lot of these altcoins are cooling off. I mean, obviously we don't want them to cool off. We want them to continue to go up or at least hold their levels. But this is crypto, so a lot of people like to sell off. If we go down to the bottom of the golden pocket, that'd be, let's see, from where we're currently at, that'd be 50% down. Let's go back in time and let's see what happened in the past. So after going on a run, let's see, let's go back. So we're back in 2021. Went on a 300% run, consolidated 41% down, but then it still continued up 114%, consolidated down about 44%, and then it went on a massive run. So what was this run? That was a 4x, 421% gain. So going to where we're at now, I mean, this is kind of way more than any of these positions after it consolidates and sells off. So I could expect HBAR to go down to around 20 cents and maybe worst case 14 cents, but that'd be insane. That'd be a gigantic sell off. And we can always go by the past moves. It was around 40, 45%. Hey, you going to respond? Did you, what did you say? What up, what up? Yeah, bloody Thursday. Liquidations are insane today. Insane. All right, let's get to some more stories. Aerodrome, just a single DEX on base is now doing roughly 58% of the volume of the entirety of the Ethereum mainnet, according to DEX Screener. So we got 24-hour volume at 1.15 billion, and across all of Uniswap is at about 2 billion. Hey, thank you, King Koopa. Still have like a slight headache, and my nose just will get super stuffy, and I feel like my head is about to explode. But I'm doing better. I'm doing better. Aerodrome though is doing great. I think it has been a top performing DEX this cycle, and it's on a pretty nice discount. I was actually thinking about adding to my position. It's down 16% just today. Over the last 7 days, down 33%. But over the month, it's still up 17%. So I think it's a pretty good opportunity to get into Aerodrome. We are in this Aerodrome position. Volatile automated market maker, basic volatility in USDC and Aero. So it will auto reposition my positions. So we have 465 in USDC, 305 Aero tokens, and we are getting 53%. We have emissions that we can claim whenever we want to. It's up to $17.18 right now. So yeah, I think I might add more to this position. I might add a little bit more USDC and Aero on this dip and possibly capture the upside in the near future. I think I saw a great tweet the other day. It was posted about 3 weeks ago, and it was like, in 2 or 3 weeks, you are going to wish you sold your entire crypto portfolio. But in 2 or 3 months, you're going to wish that you bought more. So short term, bearish. Long term, I think we're still in the midst of a nice bull market. I mean, Donald Trump and the Trump administration is not even in office yet. So we're at the end of the year. Maybe people are tax loss harvesting. You can also expect people from the Pengu airdrop to claim next year, because you have 88 days to claim the Pengu airdrop. So they don't want to claim it this year and have to pay the taxes on it. They want to pay it off at the end of next year. So you could see a little bit of that happening. Snowboarder 237. Did you watch Drew's veteran's new video on Aero? I have not caught that video yet, but I mean, I've been bullish on Aerodrome since it was under $1, all the way back when it was like 50, 60 cents. That's when we first got into our position. My Aero is 62 cents. Kind of want to buy more too. Hey, me and David Middleton are both like-minded right now. I saw the volume earlier today for Arrow on Blowfin. That was the highest I've ever seen at 8 million in volume. I mean, I believe that this Dex Aerodrome is really capturing a lot of the trading volume and liquidity of a lot of people in this space. Why would you want to put it on ETH mainnet? Have to deal with ETH gas fees. I was looking at ETH gas fees earlier today. 77 Gwei, so or 63 Gwei. It's going to cost you $4.73 just to send your friend Ethereum. But if you want to perform a swap on the Ethereum mainnet, it could cost as high as $80. If you want to buy an NFT, $136. So it's insane. It's insane. Base is allowing people to interact with essentially Ethereum. It's an L2 on Ethereum for fractions of the cost of a transaction on ETH mainnet. And I mean, their DeFi is pretty amazing. So they went over how to get into an Aerodrome position. That's amazing. We've done that on this channel. So maybe tomorrow we might add more to our position, or I might do it after the stream. I would have to send money over and do all that live, so I don't want to do that right now. Had FOMO when it was above $2. Yeah, it shot up pretty quickly. All right, let's keep it going. So this was yesterday, the FOMC meeting with Jerome Powell. Let's check out this guy. So there's a little bit of, are you in Swell still? Yes, I am. I think they just came out with their mainnet, their L2 mainnet, the L2 for restaking. So anyway, this was a little weird. So someone put in a bet that Jerome Powell would mention Bitcoin. And the biggest contributor to that bet was Axios. Let's see if I have it still. Let's see. All right, here we go. At FOMC today, Jay Powell said the word Bitcoin in response to a question asked from an Axios reporter, the largest holder of Jay Powell, saying Bitcoin at 10-1 odds was an account named Axios. So this is Neil Irwin from Axios, I guess their agency. So let's go back here. So crypto, Bitcoin, this was a bet that Jerome Powell would say Bitcoin. And let's go back here.
Assets that have been buoyant. Do you see any value or benefit in the U.S. government building a reserve of Bitcoin?
We're not allowed to own Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve Act says what we can own, and we're not looking for a law change. That's the kind of thing for Congress to consider, but we are not looking for a law change at the Fed.
All right, so he said the word Bitcoin, and this user, Axios, won the bet. But is it a crime? Is this a crime? Is this in the same camp as the guy that bet that there'd be a streaker at the Super Bowl, and the guy that put the bet out was the streaker? I don't know how they operate on these betting platforms, but is this considered a crime? I'm not 100% sure. What do you guys think? Yeah, I was something. The laws being changed in January about the Federal Reserve not being able to own Bitcoin. That really opened my eyes to the power of Arrow. I haven't opened your eyes to the power of Arrow, showing you my amazing gains over the last few months in my Aerodrome positions. All right, I love it. I love it, though. I love it. Good guys over there. Veteran Crypto, Isaac, Drew. Great people. Blockchain Basement. All right, anyway. A smart whale that has been buying and selling Bitcoin over this last year, even into 2023. Here is all of his buys and his sells. More buys, more sells, buy, sells. So he scooped up some Bitcoin, or he scooped up some Ethereum. Oh, Snowboarder is in the same liquidity pool as me. Very nice, very nice. It's a good one. High APR in Arrow, and I believe in Arrow going up in the future. All right, so anyway, this whale, likely related to Longling Capital, bought 6,000 Ethereum after the price drop. This whale is skilled at buying Ethereum at low prices and selling at high prices, with a total profit of 83 million. So since May of 2023, this whale has bought 75,400 Ethereum, 180.4 million, and an average price of 23.92, and he has 50,800 for a total of 172.8 million at an average price of 3,400. So about $1,000 above his average buy. So, I mean, is he just a day trader, or does he think that this most recent dip that was bought 3 hours ago, and this was at 3 a.m. So at midnight, he bought 6,000 Ethereum. And I mean, he's probably actually down on his buy. Let's see. All right, so 4 hours ago. So it should be around right here he bought. Or I'm sorry. Right about I can't get it right on the right there. Right about right here. So he's down about 6%. Have I been minting on Forma Chain? I have not heard of it. I have not heard of Forma Chain. Oh, Elon Schmid, it's all over. Pack it up. All right, let's dump everything right now. Pack it up. Show's over. Channel's done. Packing it up. Dips are discounts. Yeah, that's the mindset you have to have in a bull market. If we aren't expecting to go into a bear market, buying the dips in a bull market is very, very smart. Minted a mammoth in phase 1 for 0.75 TIA, and the floor right now is 75 TIA. Nice, dude. A mammoth phase 1. Yeah, I haven't heard of Forma Chain. I might have to check it out. All right, so I don't know. This really isn't crypto related, but this is relatable to the average Christmas, I guess, present buyer. Amazon workers are going on strike, marking the largest strike against Amazon in history.
People are excited for this strike. We've been waiting for this day. We've been prepping for this day. This is the day that they get to see how strong we are.
This is our chance to truly make history.
Teamsters have voted to authorize a strike at 7 Amazon facilities. Those include warehouses in Staten Island and Queens, the Chicago suburb of Skokie, and 4 in Southern California.
Amazon doesn't want us to realize the power that we have as Amazon workers. It wouldn't be able to run without us.
Amazon is scared because they know that with the power of the union, they're going to have to dish out what they owe.
Amazon needs to understand that there's real people behind these vans. There's real people in these warehouses, and they need to treat us with the dignity that we deserve.
These right here, we're fighting for our life.
We're fighting for our family.
This girl looks like she's 13 and she works at Amazon. What?
We are Amazon Teamsters.
We deliver the packages.
We make Amazon's profits.
We're demanding our fair share.
We demand fair pay and safe jobs.
Okay, so this has me thinking, what is the average pay for an Amazon factory worker? Let's see. $19 per hour, ranging from 16 to 23. I mean, I don't know. What are they expecting? Like $40, $50 an hour to pack boxes? Nothing against the workers at Amazon. I mean, they are one of the most needed companies in the world right now, especially during Christmas time. So, hey, maybe Jeff Bezos, pay your factory workers more. Maybe they won't go on strike and cause a big issue across supply chains. People around Christmas time, people are really shopping heavily right now. Yeah, pretty good pay for unskilled labor. And automation, it might be coming in the near future with the Optimus bot from Elon Musk. I mean, that'd be crazy if these factories start buying robots to replace workers. I forgot what movie it was, but in a recent movie I just watched, that was the case. It was construction workers being replaced by robots. So, I mean, it's we're in a funky time period. So in the next decade, decade, we might be really changing out how businesses operate, factories operate. Don't touch. Hey man, new here. Do you have any opinion on Lena Linear Finance? Bought some because it got listed on Uphold. I have not heard of Lena Linear Finance. Okay. All right, 34.5 million market cap, decent volume. It's probably because it got listed on Upbit. 25 million in volume. Let's go to the monthly. All right, so in a month, it got up to 0.0086. Now it's essentially down 50% from this all-time high. Let's go to the year. So the year, they had a better start to the year, or actually no, this is an old project. Why is this going? This is going all the way back to 2021. 2021, it ran up from 0.007 to 0.01. What do they do? Unlock the linear perp decks now live. Okay. Deny cookies. I'm trying to watch my diet. Unlock the future of decentralized finance. Trade synthetic assets quickly, seamlessly, and cost effectively. Okay, so this reminds me of synthetics. Synthetics is probably the breadwinner there in like synthetic assets. It's at a 736 million market cap. Very similar pattern to Lena. Looks exactly the same. Let's actually do the comparison in real time. All right, so this is Lena over the year time frame on CoinMarketCap, and this is synthetics. You can literally put the charts on top of each other. So in that case, I would do a greater, deeper dive on linear finance to see who their backing is. They've had any ties to like a BlackRock or a large investment firm. Venture capitalists, to see who is actually behind this project. Let's see. It is a ERC20 token, and it's also on the Binance Smart Chain. So it's essentially doing what Synthetics does, but at a fraction of the market cap. Binance has it. Okay. Dex volume is pretty low. Yeah, I would have to do a deep dive on this. Check out their website a little bit more. Let's see if we can find any more information. Discover linear ecosystem. All right, happy to work with strategic partners. Okay, let's see. Investors. Exchange partners. What's their Twitter look like? They have 135,000 followers, but they're not followed by anybody that Degen Alpha follows. That means that it's like literally like in a realm of its own when it comes to being in this crypto ecosystem. Has no connections to anyone I'm following, and I feel like I follow a vast I guess spectrum of people in this space. Projects, meme coins, DeFi, airdrops, and nobody I know follows this company, this protocol. Cross-chain compatible, decentralized Delta 1. What the hell does a Delta 1 asset protocol mean? Create, manage, and trade exposures seamlessly and instantly. Yeah, I would have to look into the whole like synthetic asset ecosystems and see like if it even is viable anymore. Yeah, vet need to get in on my arrow making me money. Got a huge bag of it. Vet, my man, you be everywhere. If you haven't looked at the new meme token on Base called Beats, it may be worth your time. DJ Snowcone Beats. All right, let's check it out. This is the Pengu chart. I think with everything in crypto going down, it's causing Pengu to not really have any positive price action. But it did go up from its bottom about 43%, got up to about a 3 billion market cap. But anyway, let's look at Beats. Beats on base. Wait, where is Beats? Wait, you said yeah, on base. Beats on base. All right. So we're at a 2.7 million market cap, 574K of liquidity. It's a 1 month old. 325K of trading volume. What's the 4 hour look like? All right. So we missed the pump, 25,000% gain. So obviously down here was at like 100,000 market cap, or even lower. Let's see. Yeah, down here, if you were to scoop some up, 244K market cap. So if you're like the Degen, if you're like in the trenches being a Degen and you caught this token at a 200K market cap, that was a good move, obviously. But a lot of tokens that are at that valuation never get up to a 2-3 million market cap. So diamond in the rough, though. Let's see how much of their liquidity is locked. 100%. That's good. Can double your arrow by locking it for a time. Also, I am using an automated market maker to stack more arrow while using my arrow. Beats has a great looking website. Let's check out their Twitter. Beats the Koala. Good day, mates. I'm Beats. All right. Followed by one person I follow. They joined in June. Okay. And when did this token come out? A month ago? Yeah. About a month and a few days ago. All right. Let's go back here. Beats on base. Beats the Koala, True Blue, artificially intelligent, API addicted, dev extraordinaire, and base chain Degen. Will come to life. Okay.
Gotta wake up, Beats get up.
It's what y'all been waiting for. I guess so. You've been waiting for this stuff for a long time, didn't you? I've been feeling my vibe right now. I'm feeling my phantom. Grade 6,
Meme modeling and dev tools. Okay, that's pretty cool. Social media. All right, so the way it looks like it was created by, maybe not, but maybe AI created this. Music tools. Let's see. 4-year linear UNCX vesting, creation and expansion marketing. Doesn't look bad. Let's look at bubble maps. All right, let's go to the actual token. And the distribution looks good. There's no clusters. There is a whale, 3.5% in that wallet. This wallet is associated with, let's see, the cliff and the vesting period. So that's fine. Yeah, there are whales in this project that own more than, like, all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That they own more than maybe like 15% of the supply, the top 10 holders. Decent. Is this a project that can get up to like a 30 million market cap? I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it though. This token though. All right, so I don't know if you guys have heard about this unicorn fart dust. So this guy he is a gold and silver bug, and he has a YouTube channel where he streams from his basement talking about gold and silver. So he came across Fcoin, and him being a gold and silver bug, he wanted to create his own token. So he created Unicorn Fart Dust. Let's see if we can actually go to, let's go here and then go here. And then we're going to type in Unicorn Fart Dust. Get the pair. And then we can type the pair in here. This is Photon, by the way. All right, so let's refresh that part of the page and then zoom out to like the hour. So the dev, being that guy, he bought about, I think 12 million tokens for $75. He was awestruck by the fact that it got up to a 23 million market cap, 20 million market cap. So he sold 2 clips, one for 5.1K and another clip for 20K. 2.1 million there and about $500,000 there. So he has around 9.5 million tokens left. And I mean, he's probably a multimillionaire now. So this thing obviously was not insider traded. The cabal of crypto were not able to get in on this because a boomer literally created it in his basement back on the 17th. So 2 days ago, and it ripped to a 290 million market cap. I was actually looking at this thing at like a 30 million market cap, 34 million. I think I tweeted about it. So I missed out on around a 4X. I should just literally, I've been in this market long enough. I should just realize when something is so ridiculous, Unicorn Fart Dust, the narrative behind it, some random boomer created the token to make fun of this type of crypto markets, but now he's learning the power of the trenches, and the people in the trenches push this thing up to almost a 300 million market cap. And then of course you have Fartcoin. Let's go to Fartcoin. Actually, we're gonna keep this chart up. Fartcoin got above a billion market cap. It's actually above a billion market cap right now. So with all of crypto going down, we have Bitcoin back below 100K. Fartcoin is one of the only tokens that has been continuously performing well. I mean, we're in like cuckoo land. Fartcoin is at a billion market cap. Gonsler was my last try at memes. Yeah, we got lucky on Gonsler because we were live when Gary Gensler put out his like resignation letter on X. And we just hopped right onto, I think, Dex Screener, found a token that was just created, put some Solana into it, and I think we made like a 5 to 8x. ETH is moving up. It is. That's great. That's amazing. Let's see. Hey, ETH is up 1% over the last hour, and Bitcoin is up almost 1%. Is this just like a little short-term little pump, or are we going to experience more red? Let's see. We're on Ethereum over the last hour. All right, so possibly. I mean, it was at $3,389, and the fib level is at $3,344. So $40 off from touching this Fibonacci level, and this fib is at, let's see, this fib is the 0.618. So maybe it has bottomed. I would hope so. I really hope so. And possibly we get a green dot printing on Market Cipher B down here. Money flow is very low. Money flow is lower than it was when we crashed about 12% in a day. So veteran crypto, I'm almost back in the range on my liquidity pools. That's good. Any of you guys look into the Shifu presale airdrop to Shib bubble holder? I have not. I have not looked at Shifu presale. I'm in kind of the camp of presales, not like most of the time they don't work out. There was like some meta, maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. Almost every single day, you would find a new presale for a new meme coin, and 90% of them probably didn't even go up past their initial starting point. So everyone in the presale round lost money. So I don't know if I'm in that camp anymore of trying out these presales. No. Let's see. Have you looked at Barrio, a meme on base? Let's see. Unicorn Fart Dust is up 55% since touching 13 cents. Insane. It's one of those tokens now I feel like is just going to run and run and run because of the narrative, the guy behind it, the name of it. And I mean, I will take the benefit of the doubt. He said he's not selling, but I mean, he's probably up massively at this point. He could probably knock out this liquidity 3 or 4 times over. He's got like 9.5 million tokens. Let's actually get the calculator out. 9500000 times 0.2080. All right, so he's got about 2 million. He's got 2 million, give or take, but still, liquidity is 3.6. The dev owns 2 million, and he's a boomer who already has taken out 25K. But yeah, how long is he going to stare at the chart, stare at his wallet, and potentially become a millionaire if he hits one button? Let's look at Barrio. Barrio. Okay, based Mario. All right, 4 million market cap, 320K liquidity. Looks like not all of it is locked. Only 56% is locked. So proceed with caution there. That means that about 150K of this can just be removed at any time. All right, another one that ran up massively over this last like month and a half, 2 months, 2,000% gain. It's currently down around 43%. There are 429,000 holders, so this makes me believe that it was airdropped to a certain set of wallets, maybe holders of like Bonk or Whiff or another like PopCap. Maybe like some of those holders received this token. Let's look at the bubble map. All right, not looking good so far. Let's go to the Mario actual holders. So the top holder owns 5.3% of the tokens. And then you got this cluster, Ascend EX. Ascend EX. I wonder if this is like an exchange. Ascend EX. Yeah, not sure what that wallet is. Have any of you guys ever heard of Ascend EX? They own 2.22% of the supply. Actually, more closer to 4%. But this is always the case. This is like almost always the case with these lower market cap meme coins. This one being at a 4 million market cap. You're going to have those bigger holders that hold more than 1% of the supply, most likely selling part of their bag because, I mean, it just ran up 2,300% in a matter of a little more over a month. Volume is relatively low, 104K. I mean, the way this chart looks, I could expect it to get back down to like 0.001. Obviously, that's just like my speculation and just like the history of me being in meme coins. Can you check out the Modang chart and give your thoughts? I'm down like almost 15%, but it's a small position, 0.4% of my portfolio. Oh yeah, 0.4%. That's probably a smart allocation for a token like Modang. It's a baby, a hippo. All right, so let's actually look at it on TradingView. Oh, there it is. Modang. All right, so let's go to daily. All right, so Market Cipher B down here, he's got like a long drawn out momentum wave. This is telling me that it's just, obviously it's very slowly selling off, but a lot of people are losing faith. Usually with these momentum waves, let's go to like an Ethereum, for example. Oh, by the way, check your base wallet. I'm sorry. Yeah. Check your base wallet. If you own, let's see. Let's go back real quick. Oh, and also if you want to mint a Beam node, I think it's like $1,400, and you can pay in. You get rewarded in Beam, ATH, ZenT, and Saga. That's just a real quick little alpha for you guys. But let's go back here. Jeff by Virtuals. Let's just search it. This was an airdrop to a bunch of different holders. Agent Jeff. All right, so if you held, let's see if I can find it. A Mutant Ape, a Bored Ape, a Heavy Metal. I think this is Neo Tokyo. Maybe if you had any virtuals, not sure what this is, and I'm not sure what this is. But again, check your base address. If you think you have exposure to any of these projects, you have been airdropped this Jeff token that was launched by Virtuals. Let's go back here. And let's go here. And it looks like it actually just went up 146%. So around this period, my allocation was worth $100. So maybe it's worth around 200. I actually want to check right now. 1 second. I would have thought they would have dropped it on Ape Chain, but let's see. So I got 33,488. Let's get out our calculator. Clear it. 33,488 times 0.005213. All right. My airdrop is worth $174 right now. So I'm gonna be holding on to it. I think if we go into a bull market, maybe after the end of the year, this thing could get back up to its all-time high. That'd be 160% gain there. So yeah, it's a free airdrop I received, and it could be worth something in the future. It's worth something right now. All right, I haven't even gone through any of my stories yet. Let's look at Modang again. All right, so Modang is showing an 11 bear versus a -1 bull on the daily. If we go to the 4 hour, all right, those candles are starting to average out. You have a 6 versus a 5. Momentum on Market Cipher B looks like it wants to print a green dot. 43 minutes until this candle confirms. And then maybe in the next few candles, we will round out here and print a green dot. Obviously, this does not mark the bottom. It marks a bottom. So if we go back in time, we did get a big momentum wave that kind of looks similar to this one. Let's see. Let's make sure you can see this. All right. So we're looking at this momentum wave right here. So red dot right on the 0 falls, forms a green dot that really didn't do anything. So immediately right after it forms a red dot and it falls even further, but now it's rounding out. So let's go into the past. All right. So back here, similar. We have momentum falling down, green dot followed by a immediate red dot. So it falls down further, green dot followed by immediate red dot. So it falls down slightly further, and then we reprint a green dot and also a big green dot. But also check out how low the momentum is on this momentum wave. It's down to a negative 84. That is lower than any of these momentum waves have ever gotten. So that's telling me that I think this thing is oversold like crazy. What's that link, says Oculus L. Are you talking about the Jeff link? Let's go to, is it here? Where did I do Jeff? Let's go here. There we go. I'll give it a follow and then I'll drop it in the Telegram for you guys. Airdrop. Let's show it on the screen. Check your base address for Jeff. There's the X page. So if you want to find the X page, there you go. It's right there in the airdrop channel in the Telegram. All right. All right. So Modang. Let's finish up Modang. I mean, this is telling me, I mean, money flow is not as low as it's ever been, but it is getting as low as it was down here in money flow. Looking at it right here. So currently we're at a negative 32. It got as low as negative 44. So it could drop a little more. But it could also form a bottom right here. Like it is showing it could in the future form a bottom, a green dot, a big green dot, and potentially maybe head up out of this sell-off that's been going on for about 16 days. 16 days. All right, let's go through some of the stories I got. Went over that. So here's another airdrop that you might qualify for. If you have held and if you've held these tokens, you most likely will qualify for the aligned layer airdrop. Daily reminder to the most loyal token owners of Mina, Starknet, Polygon, Igon Layer, ZK Sync, Scroll, and Tycho. So if you have held any of these tokens to their all-time low, then you most likely will qualify for this. All right, so the URL is genesis.alignedfoundation.org. I will drop this in the Telegram as well. Also check out Aligned. Is that it? Hold on. Aligned Layer. All right, so there's their website. There's the tweet I'm sharing right here. If you click on it, it's most likely their pinned tweet. Yep, it is. So they have selected 891,000 addresses that held tokens from different ecosystems at their all-time lows. So I like this angle. Instead of just airdropping to just a vast like quantity of wallets that maybe held the token, sold it, bought it back in, staked it, or whatever, they're airdropping to the most loyal holders of these projects that held to their all-time low. So it's almost like, okay, if these holders are holding when it's at its worst, maybe they won't just completely dump the token as soon as they receive it. I like the angle. Let's see if it works. So if you go to genesis.aligned.org, you can check your eligibility. Click the check eligibility. And then here you go. Accept and continue with your EVM wallet or with your Mina, your Starknet, your Clav, or your Safe wallet. I did it with my EVM and my Mina. I haven't gotten into the Starknet. I don't have a Clav wallet or Safe wallet. So I qualified for Ethereum, Polygon, ZK Sync, and maybe a little bit of Scroll. And I also qualified for Mina. I have my Mina in my Oro wallet that's been staked for over a year and a half, maybe even closer to 2 years right now. So yeah, we definitely got an allocation. So we'll be keeping an eye on this. I'll let you know when the actual airdrop goes live. All right, here's just more information. Aligned airdrop for Igon, ZK Sync, Stark, and more holders. Again, genesis.alignedfoundation.org to check your allocation. I posted on the 17th that I'm getting 7,403 aligned, but that is before I checked my Mina, and my Mina wallet qualified me for like 22,000 more. So I'm going to be getting like almost 30,000 aligned tokens. Hopefully it's worth something. All right. AI agent understands what's coming. So I've been bullish on Zeus ever since I looked into it. It's bringing Bitcoin to Solana in the form of Z Bitcoin. Is that right? Yeah, Z Bitcoin. AI agent understands what's coming to you. So AI XPT, if you've been watching Degen Alpha over the last few weeks, I've been super bullish on this X account, AI XPT _ agent. It is an AI agent that does market analysis. You can even tweet at it and ask it a question. If it doesn't like your question, it will not answer you. If I think even if you have like low follower count, it might not answer you as well. But anyway, here's him talking about Zeus validating first native Bitcoin on Solana. Epoch 1 operational. Market wants native Bitcoin pegs, showing steady growth here. Zeus scaling with native Bitcoin wrapping makes more sense than wrapped Bitcoin at this point. Market also telling us Zeus built a software verifying Bitcoin transactions on Solana. They validated first native Bitcoin transaction last week. So, I mean, I went over Zeus when it was 50 cents. It got up to, I think, 98 cents. Currently at 72 cents. So after hitting around 85 cents, it fell to 67 cents. So currently up slightly, but let's go to the monthly. So yeah, we were talking about this thing around this time frame, December, beginning of December, probably around December 10th or 11th. It got up to 98 cents, but we're holding on. We're holding on because, again, this is bringing Bitcoin to Solana, similar to like Coinbase Bitcoin, allowing you to use Coinbase Bitcoin on the Ethereum network, the base network. Is GPU similar to Aether? Yes. I mean, Zeus was 97 cents, fell to 14 cents. So they launched, probably still building out their product. They're getting the token is falling and falling and falling. The team is still building. People are noticing that they're still building and what they're trying to accomplish. They actually have accomplished it around this period. I think around the time where when I was talking about it, they completed their first transaction with Z Bitcoin on Solana. And now the market is catching on to Zeus Network. All right. Sonic Protocol hits mainnet. Can Phantom keep up? Sonic Protocol just hit the mainnet, bringing that high-speed energy with 10,000 transactions per second and an Ethereum bridge. FTN holders. So Phantom holders can swap their tokens to Sonic 1-to-1 ratio, but here's the catch. Once the 90-day window is up, only Phantom to S swaps will happen. I mean, that's fine, right? I mean, if Sonic is the new blockchain, why would you want to go back to the Phantom blockchain? The launch feels big, but Phantom's price is taking a hit. It's down 8.47% in the past day. Is Sonic the play to reignite Phantom's fire? Or is it too little too late? So they rebranded to Sonic. They're launching their new mainnet. It is at mainnet, and you can convert your Phantom to S. Arkham is integrating Sui. We're partnering with Sui Network to add Sui blockchain data to the Arkham platform. Joshua Jake, I think, just dumped $20,000 or $40,000 into Arkham. So he's bullish on Arkham. A lot of people were giving Arkham flack back in the day because it was almost like a detective service on the blockchain. But more so, they're just tracking like ETFs, BlackRock, and like major scams and network activity. Yes, you can get that link for Zeus Network or for Aligned. I've dropped both in here. Base airdrop for JEP and Aligned layer airdrop checker. Oculus L, which link would you like? I'll be more than happy to drop it in for you. All right, went over that. They pay you SOL for swaps. Check out movement. For Phantom. The link for Phantom. Oh, this one? Phantom is the Solana wallet. Phantom is the blockchain. Not too sure what you're talking about, Oculus L. All right, let's check out Move real quick. Move is the new blockchain. Movement. I attempted to airdrop farm this one, but I gave up. All right, so they launched at the beginning of December. They got up to $1.35 and has fallen ever since to around 60 cents, currently at 71 cents. What makes Movement a different blockchain? So you want this? You want this tweet? Boom. It's there. It's not an airdrop though, but you can convert your tokens. Hopefully that was the right tweet you were talking about, Oculus L. All right, Movement, new blockchain. What is it about? What makes it different? The Movement Foundation is the driving force behind the Movement ecosystem, dedicated to fostering innovation, supporting developers, and advancing the adoption of Move virtual machine technology. Move airdrop was complicated. Yeah, so could have gotten free money, but I didn't want the complications, so I did not go through with the whole entire thing. All right, Movement is a cutting-edge Layer 2 solution built using Move virtual machine, designed to provide developers with a powerful, efficient, and scalable platform for creating the next generation of decentralized applications. I've just read this so many times. What is this? How is it different? It's a virtual machine, so it connects to Ethereum. Okay. Explore the innovative decentralized applications built in the Movement ecosystem. All right. Lynx powers 400 plus projects with its current stack. All right. So now this is a Lynx L2. Meet Nexo, a paralyzed Bitcoin L2 using a Movement rollup. All right. So here's another Bitcoin layer 2, but it's using Movement's rollup. All right. So now we're up to 3 blockchains. Lumio is building a Movement rollup using the power of the Movement stack. Lumio is creating a virtual machine abstraction network. We're up to 4 blockchains. Up Network is making a Movement phone. Okay, now we're getting a phone. All right, so far I am just completely lost. Let's go to ecosystem. Sadi Finance unites the Movement DeFi ecosystem by offering the community one-click investment strategies that generate yield through native Movement protocols. I'm more bullish on this instead of this. Hold on, let's see if I can find it. I'm more bullish on Athena. I feel like every time I look at CoinMarketCap, Athena is one of the top movers. There's Athena USDE. Everything is down today, so of course, hey, there's Athena right there. It is down, but Athena has entered into a strategic partnership with Trump crypto project World Liberty Finance. A governance proposal has been submitted to add SUSDE to WLFI's World Liberty Finance upcoming Aave instance as a core collateral asset. Do I have more on Athena? I thought I did. Maybe not. But yeah, I'm bullish on Athena. Let's actually go to their page though, because they have some pretty good returns. Where did it go? There it is. All right, let's go check out their website. Enabling internet money, synthetic dollar with internet native yield. So the same SUSDE APY, you're getting 12%. So they're trying to bring this over to World Liberty Finance in cooperation with Aave to bring this APY over there. Ecosystem. So they've got different forms of the dollar. USDE is a synthetic dollar which aims to provide a censorship-resistant, stable, and scalable solution for the digital asset market. Staked USDE. So this is staked USDE is the leading. So it's almost like liquid staking stable coins now. It accumulates rewards periodically and can be attained by staking this token. All right. So the same thing we were going over months ago with like Igon Layer and staking Ethereum to get liquid staking with Ethereum. EtherFi that we've been going over the last few months. Now Athena is bringing stablecoin liquid restaking tokens to like Aave. All right. A few more things today, and then that'll be good for today. I think we're already at like an hour and 7 minutes. MetaMask. So here's AIXBT talking about MetaMask. So although MetaMask gets a lot of hate, they own 80% of wallet market while everyone else fights for scraps. MetaMask launching MasterCards in the US can spend Web3 assets at any merchant. So I actually got this notification on my portfolio.metamask.io. So let's hide that, even though, I mean, I only have like $500 in here. We are connected. So there you go, right there. You are eligible to try MetaMask card. Spend your card like cash instantly anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. So instead of like off-ramping to Coinbase or whatever exchange you're using, you can just spend it with your MasterCard. I would have to do some more research because if you're like on the Ethereum mainnet and you're spending your Ethereum tokens, is that going to have to use a transaction and cost money to run the transaction via an Ethereum fee? I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna have to look into this more. But I mean, if you can use layer 2s, that's super amazing. Like if I have money on Base and it's like under a penny to transact, and I could use like a MetaMask card and buy and just do whatever I want with it, that'd be pretty cool. And this whole 80% of market share. So like over the last year, let's see if I could account for a lot of the wallets that have been created. Rainbow Wallet, Rabby Wallet. You have the Magic Eden wallet. There's so many wallets out, but it's just telling. This is telling that a lot of the people are just sticking with MetaMask. Velo. Here's AIXBT talking about Velo. So Aerodrome, and then there's Velodrome. Now operating across 11 chains on Superchain. Kraken committed 1 million in incentives, 192 million market cap, driving liquidity across Mode, Optimism, and Fractal. Weekly volume hit 708 million. So here is the same pool for Athena's USDE. If you staked your USDE, you received SUSDE, and then you can put it into a Velodrome pool with USDC and get 245% APY. That obviously is probably not sustainable, but if you are interested in this, I would get in on it as soon as possible so you can capture as much APY as possible. Velodrome surpassed 20 billion cumulative volume. I mean, Velodrome and Aerodrome been very, very good performers this year. But let's not forget about Solana. Solana surpasses all chains combined, capturing 53% of global crypto users in November. Sounds too good to be true. It's usually more of an incentive to get liquidity over to that pair. And then as more liquidity is added, usually the APY drops. It's very similar to like if I were to add a position to Meteora for like the Pengu airdrop. If if I set a certain zone, I could capture like 2, 3, 400% APY, but it would only be in that zone. If the price moves above it or below it, I won't get anything. All right, I think that's it. Oh yeah, here's the YouTuber Basement Ron, who came out with the unicorn fart dust.
People are buying it. As a matter of fact, right now, this meme coin cryptocurrency called Unicorn Fart Dust, believe it or not, has a market cap of over $6,500.
So this is him talking about it when it was under a 10,000 market cap.
You might be asking why, and I'm going to take you on the journey of why I did it and how I did it. And I want to say right now, I am in no way, shape, or form under any circumstances recommending that you buy unicorn fart dust, because the unicorn fart dust meme coin cryptocurrency is nothing but just that, unicorn fart dust. All right, nothing. And that's part of the reason why I got interested in this was this article right here. And then I'm going to show you the coin. I'm going to show you where it's being traded, and I'll show you that people are actually, believe it or not, buying this thing, and how out of control this whole crypto meme coin thing has really become. And what I think the reasons why that tells us we do have good things to look forward to in the gold and silver arena. But this was the article that got me. You know, sometimes things just get you. This came from the website Medium. The fart coin takes the crypto atmosphere by storm, breaking the 500 million.
All right, so
I created a crypto.
All right, so we're gonna end on that note. Yeah, I wish I bought it when it was like a 30 million market cap instead of quote tweeting it, because I thought it was just absolutely ridiculous. But never underestimate the trench warriors. Fair launch. The people that got in early are reaping massive rewards because, again, this thing got up to 240 million market cap. Opportunities everywhere. High risk, high reward. Sometimes not even really that high of a risk. If it's more of like a money that you're okay losing. You should have kind of like a Degen bag. So you should have like an overarching crypto portfolio with your majors, major altcoins, obviously like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, X, Y, and Z. But then you should have a speculation bag for these type of meme coins. Modang, maybe a good opportunity if it falls a little further. Maybe start DCAing in. But yeah, if you catch unicorn fart dust, if you caught this early and you threw like 1 Solana at it, could have made 5 Solana. Obviously, maybe 1 Solana is too high for you. Maybe it's not high enough. Maybe you throw 0.1 Solana. Maybe you throw 10 Solana. Just speculate with money you're willing to lose in the trenches. That's my advice for you guys. Appreciate you watching. Smash that like button on the way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow around 4:15, 4:30. Be blessed. Taco out.
Make the most of your holidays with
blah, blah, blah. Gotta watch this ad before I get music. There we go.